Welcome to Lyra Tech. Today, we're looking at a PC case that combines premium aesthetics with smart design. If you're into building a showcase-worthy rig, this case is definitely one to consider. Check out the link in the description for the best price. This case stands out with its panoramic, tempered glass design, giving you a seamless front and side view of your build. It's perfect for showing off your components, RGB lighting, and custom water cooling setups. The dual-chamber layout keeps things clean by hiding cables and power supply clutter, making your build look even more polished. One of the biggest highlights is the HYTE Y60 riser cable, included right out of the box. This lets you mount your GPU vertically for an eye-catching look without compromising performance. When it comes to cooling, it has plenty of space for up to 3x 120mm or 140mm fans, and a 360mm radiator, ensuring your system stays cool even under heavy loads. Airflow is well optimized, so even with a full setup, you won't have to worry about overheating. Space isn't an issue either. There's room for full-sized ATX motherboards, high-end GPUs, and plenty of storage options. Whether you're going for an air-cooled or liquid-cooled setup, this case can handle it. Pros: beautiful panoramic glass design for a premium look. Dual-chamber layout for excellent cable management. Includes HYTE Y60 riser cable for vertical GPU mounting. Great cooling support for high-performance builds. Spacious interior for ATX motherboards and large GPUs. Cons: no pre-installed fans, so you'll need to buy your own. Vertical GPU mounting can limit airflow if not set up properly. Overall, this case is a fantastic choice for gamers and PC builders who want a stylish, high-performance setup. If you're interested, check out the link in the description for the best price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.